Hello students, this is Srihari Kakarla. This is Srihari Kakarla, Senior Geography Faculty. See, after this COVID-19 lockdown, recently from nearly 1.5 month onwards, students have been coming for the offline courses, and moreover normalcy have been restored. And recently there have been so much of the talks have been going on regarding the very soon arrival of notifications from both the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So for the students who are because of various reasons, they may be having engaged in any other employment, or they may be having some difficulty in coming to Hyderabad. So apart from the students who have been attending for the offline classes, for the students who are not able to attend for the offline classes, we already launched geography online courses. Geography online courses have been provided in Shine India Academy app. We are having the both courses, Indian Geography and World Geography also. In this Indian Geography, roughly the chapters we are going to discuss, roughly 12 chapters we are going to discuss in case of Indian Geography in English medium. This course in Indian Geography is provided in English medium by me, and 12 chapters starting from physical settings of India up to the population geography of India and census of India. So various chapters including agriculture, irrigation, wildlife and natural vegetation, minerals and industries, border disputes and other aspects such as rivers, soils, all chapters will be covered. This course is provided in our Shine India Academy app. This is the recorded course. Validity is 6 months. For 6 months period, you could watch for unlimited number of times, and parallelly I also suggested classes are discussed in such a way that you could also able to maintain your own running notes. So classes will be slowly discussed, every topic, every microscopic topic will be discussed, so that you could maintain your own running notes. So this course is provided at the cost of 299 rupees only. So you all know the major motto behind providing these courses is not the profit issue. You all know, the some of offline students of us also know, we provided it just for a nominal price of 299 rupees. Indian Geography in English medium, which will be useful for Group 1, Group 2, Sub Inspector of Police and other state examination of both the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So the topics which we are going to discuss in Indian Geography are comprehensive in nature. Whatever the exam you are attending for, in any kind of examination, whatever the notification, whatever the examination you are appearing for all kind of examination, this Indian Geography will be useful, and the topics which we are seeing here not only includes the facts but also the major conceptual understanding, and the facts will be provided. Course is just at 299 rupees plus additional GST will be added. So this course is available in our Shine India Academy app. So please subscribe the course as soon as possible, because this is the season of notifications and we are having some information regarding various sources that notifications are coming soon for the both states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So Indian Geography in English medium, which will be useful for all competitive examination in English medium, have been provided at 299 rupees. Do avail this course as soon as possible. Not only the Indian Geography, but also the World Geography is also provided at the same price of 299 rupees. Shine India Academy app course has been already launched. Its validity is also 6 months. For 6 months period, you could watch for unlimited number of times. Parallelly, you could also maintain your running notes. That is, the classes will be discussed in such a way that your notes could be very easily maintained. So the course of World Geography, which will be useful for all competitive examination. Generally, students think that Andhra Pradesh, APPSC, Group 2 students, APPSC Group 2 students generally think that they are not having world geography. They are not having world geography. That is true. For APPSC Group 2 examination, you are not having world geography. But trust me, if you understand world geography, though you are not having world geography, if you understand world geography better, so that you could understand Indian geography in best way. Out of 20 questions, 20 to 25 questions in Indian geography, you could solve almost all the question if you are having the world geography also. That's why it is my suggestion, though APPSC Group 2 aspirants are not having this world geography, you also do subscribe these world geography courses. Apart from this APPSC Group 2, other aspirants such as Group 1 of both states, Group 2 of both states, Sub-Inspector of Police and other state competitive examination, this world geography is extremely important. You could expect roughly 15 to 20 questions from this world geography. In this you will see geomorphology, climatology and oceanography. All these broader aspects will be useful for your Indian geography understanding also. This course is also provided exclusively for in English medium for all the competitive examinations at just a price of 299 rupees. Do subscribe this world geography course so that it will be useful for your competitive examination, and also it will make you to understand the Indian geography and also the Indian economy, Andhra Pradesh economy and Telangana economy at very comprehensive manner. So subscribe these courses of Indian geography and world geography, which are provided at individually 299 rupees only. So classes will be very lucidly going, so that you could maintain your running notes. Do subscribe very soon. The validity could be 6 months and the prices are very nominal. Thank you.